Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about why NorthOne Bank is no longer accepting new customers. In the fast-moving world of fintech, digital banking platforms and financial technology companies often experience massive shifts in their operational models, strategic partnerships, and long-term business focus. NorthOne, which built a permanent digital banking and financial management platform tailored specifically for small businesses, freelancers, and startups, announced that it was suspending new account applications as part of winding down the customer-facing portion of its operations for the foreseeable future. For a fintech company operating as a financial intermediary rather than a traditional chartered bank, services are heavily dependent on underlying partner banks and technical infrastructure providers. Over recent years, companies in the digital banking space have faced increasing regulatory scrutiny, rising compliance costs, and tightening requirements from partner institutions. Maintaining a compliant, scalable model for small business banking requires navigating complex regulatory frameworks around anti-money laundering, risk management, and transaction monitoring. When these operational dynamics shift, or when a fintech decides to alter its business trajectory, companies frequently halt onboarding new users to manage risk and restructure their existing portfolios. Existing account holders have had to navigate transition periods, moving their balances, automated clearinghouse payments, and software integrations over to alternative business banking platforms like Novo or traditional financial institutions. This major change highlights the inherent vulnerabilities of relying strictly on non-bank financial apps for core business operations, where account terms, availability, and ongoing support can shift abruptly due to corporate restructuring or partner bank realignments. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.